Hey guys, so I've got Greek yogurt here plain, my apt chocolate. This is actually butterscotch pudding. Sorry, I already recycled the box, guys. I'm kind of neurotic about recycling. Shredded coconut, walnuts, and a banana for today because I'll add it to the other ones another time. So I'm going to empty this tub out. I was trying to get the bigger one, but sometimes they don't always have it, which is unfortunate. It's going to be so good. Almost done. And I already used some of this because I made this once the other day. And I'll use about, I don't know, not quite half. It's pretty concentrated. And my protein powder. Lost the scoop somehow. So I'm guessing about half a cup is going to be good. And I'm going to view this as like 2 servings, probably. So I'll just use 2 or 3. We'll see how it turns out. Done with that. And then it's really thick. Too close. Smells so good. Chocolate and butterscotch. Yes, please. So I'm just not a fan of how Greek yogurt tastes on its own. Perfecto. So now, just going to estimate some for today. My battery is still dead. Yeah. Okay, so right. Okay. Now we need a knife. Done with it. Chop it up. One banana for today, since I had a pretty huge deadlift and back workout. And then walnut. and coconut. It. 3 easy meals in 5 minutes. We snack, we breakfast, my post-workout meal. You guys enjoy. Buon appetito.